Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today our special topic is Nirakshira Viveka Shloka. What is that? Nirakshira Viveka Shloka. So this is a fantastic shloka. So this is about the wisdom, the fantastic wisdom. So if you have this wisdom, you will have Nirakshira Viveka. What is this Nirakshira Viveka? Of course, this is world famous and lakhs of people already know this. This is for the benefit of who doesn't know. I am making this video. There is a very highly popular shloka. The first shloka of Nirakshira Viveka says, Hamsa Shvetaha Bakashvetaha Kovedaha Bakahamsayoho Nirakshira Vibhagena Hamso Hamsaha Bako Bakaha Nirakshira Vibhagena Hamso Hamsaha Bako Bakaha. This is highly popular. But in this video I am going to give you yet another fantastic shloka about Nirakshira Vibhaga. Anyway, before that, I just wanted to explain what is that Nirakshira Viveka. So for this, we will have to resort to a divine swan which is said to be living even now at places like Himalayas, and then it is said to be living in Vishnululoka and Brahmaloka as per our Shastras and Puranas. So this divine swan or Hamsa, it is capable of extracting only milk from out of the mixture of milk and water. So if you mix both milk and water, nobody will be able to extract only water or only milk. It is only divine swan. By God's grace, it is able to do that. That is a great quality given by the Almighty Lord to the swan, the divine swan. It is called Hamsa in our Sanskrit literature. So this everybody knows. Almost all of you know this. In our Shastras and Puranas and various Kavyas, there are various illustrations of this Hamsa. So anyway, first shloka is very highly popular, and one more shloka dealing with this sort of Viveka. What exactly is to be taken, the essence of the Shastras to be taken, and there are some non-essentials which is just to be neglected or left like that. So only we should focus on the essence of what is essence of the subject. That is it. So dealing with, there is one more shloka. Here I give you the lyrics. As usual, those interested, please take snapshot, learn, mug up, and share with others also. Share my video with others. Enjoy yourselves and share and subscribe also. Here I go. The second shloka of Nirakshira Viveka. It goes like this. Ananta Shastra Bahulascha Vidya Swalpascha Kalo Bahuvighnata Cha. I repeat again. Ananta Shastra Bahulascha Vidya Swalpascha Kalo Bahuvighnata Cha Yatsarabhutam Tadupasaniyam Yatsarabhutam Tadupasaniyam Hamso Yatha Kshiramivambu Madhyat Hamso Yatha Kshiramivambu Madhyat. Now let us just examine the meaning. This is a fantastic Upajati Chandas shloka. Fantastic, you might have enjoyed the melody already, Upajati melody. So anyway, we just examine the meaning. Ananta Shastra meaning, there are infinite number of Vidyas. Learning is infinite. Nobody can complete the learning. Nobody can say that we have learnt everything and anything and everything. So it is endless. Ananta Shastra. Bahulascha Vidya. There is various branches of knowledge. One cannot just assimilate all these branches of knowledge. Infinite branches are there. Ananta Shastra Bahulascha Vidya. Swalpascha Kalon. Our lifespan is itself very small compared to the infinite branches of knowledge. So lifespan being very short, Swalpascha kalo bahuvignata. In that lifespan also we are having lot of obstacles to learn, isn't it? Lot of hardship to have to cross over to learn so many things, even for little things. At times there will be many obstacles. So Ananta Shastra Bahurascha Vidyah Swalpascha kalo bahuvignata. Lot of obstacles even in our short lifespan to learn many things. So what is to be done? Yatsara bhutam tadupasaniyam. What is the essence of all this? Puranas, Shastras, Vedas, etc. The essence we have to catch. That is it. That is the amazing wisdom this scripture is talking about. Essential wisdom. We have to have that sort of wisdom. How? In the next line says, Yatsara bhutam tadupasaniyam. How means Hamso yatha kshiramivambu madhyat, like the divine swan which extract only the milk from out of the mixture of water and milk. Yatsara bhutam tadupasaniyam Hamso yatha kshiramivambu madhyat. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? This is all about Nirakshira Viveka. So in the next upcoming video, we will take up one more such wonderful shloka and deal with the meaning and chandas and various other aspects and enjoy the shloka. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Namaste. Jai Shri Ram.